Welcome to this video on converting an old Android tablet into a smart home security hub. We'll explore a blueprint for upcycling your old hardware and integrating it into a comprehensive home security system. This system architecture turns a tablet into a 24-hour hub. It monitors live camera feeds, displays sensor statuses, and provides a central control point for your home environment. The first step is preparing the core operating system. This involves a factory reset to clear data, debloating the OS by removing unnecessary apps, and blocking notifications to ensure only security alerts appear. For persistent power, unlock developer options by tapping the build number 7 times. Then, enable the Stay Awake setting so the screen remains active while plugged into a power source. Next, choose your dashboard architecture. Home Assistant offers high security with local, offline data, while options like ActionTiles or SharpTools provide an easier setup using cloud-based servers. Use a tool like Fully Kiosk Browser to create a dedicated environment. This locks the tablet into a single dashboard, denies access to the home screen, and ensures it functions exclusively as a security appliance. You can implement smart wake-up mechanics using the tablet's sensors. The camera can detect motion to wake the screen, while the microphone can trigger the display upon hearing loud noises. Integrate your camera network by pulling RTSP feeds from dedicated IP cameras or using apps to broadcast live links from repurposed smartphones directly to your new hub. Add security peripherals to your dashboard. This includes arming and disarming panels, visual status indicators for door and window sensors, and utility widgets for weather and time. Consider your physical mounting strategy. Options include 3D printed custom wall mounts, magnetic mounts for easy removal, or heavy-duty Velcro strips for a renter-friendly installation. Be aware of electrical power risks. Keeping a tablet plugged in 24/7 can degrade the lithium-ion battery, leading to overheating, swelling, and potential fire hazards. To stay safe, implement a battery cycle automation loop. Use a smart plug to automatically turn off power at 80% charge and back on at 20%, keeping the battery healthy. This diagram illustrates the full system synthesis, showing how data flows from sensors into the tablet, while regulated power is managed through smart plugs. Here is a summary of the required components: an Android 7.0 Plus tablet, your chosen dashboard interface, the Fully Kiosk Browser software, and a smart plug for power safety. Finally, select your sensor ecosystem. You can choose Zigbee for a low-power local mesh network, or Wi-Fi sensors for direct router connectivity.